Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we find the difference between two or more sets in Python. We can either use the difference set method or we can use the subtraction symbol. So let's go ahead and get started with how we're going to do this. Let's create two sets. One's going to be A is going to represent 1. So we'll say A, and then we'll do 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now let's go ahead and do another set, or set up another set. So B is equal to a set, and we're going to have 2, 3, and 6. All right. So we got two sets. Now when we go to find a difference between two or more sets, basically what we're doing is checking if the first set is different than the second set. What objects does it have that's different than the rest of the sets, all right? So in our case, we have one object that's different from the rest of the sets, or just a single set B, all right? And that's going to be 1, all right? So when we check the difference, we're going to return 1, all right? We don't even care about 6 because we're checking the difference. What is different in A versus B? So let's go ahead and do A dot difference, and we'll go ahead and pass in B. All right, we get 1. All right, cool. So that was what we're looking for. We're trying to find a difference in A versus B. We could also do B dot difference, and this is going to go ahead and return 6 if we pass A. All right, and we get 6 because now we're checking what's different in B, because we called difference method on the B set and we returned the object that was different. All right, and that's going to be 6. Let's go ahead and take a look at let's add another set into play here. Let's do C is equal to, and we'll do let's do 4, 5, and 2. All right, and we'll go ahead and do A dot difference like this, and pass in 2 arguments now, or 2 sets, B being one of them and C being the other, and we'll go ahead and hit return, and that is not how you do it, okay? Don't do that. Let's do A dot difference, and we'll do B comma C, and then close out the parentheses with a parenthesis, not a curly brace, and we get 1. All right, so why did we get 1 here? Let's go up and take a look at this again. We got A, all right, so we want to find what's different from A between B and C, all right? So 1 is in A, 1 is not in B, 1 is not in C, all right? 2 is in B, all right, so 2's in B and C, and 3, it's in B, but it's not in C, but that's not a difference, so we return 1, all right? How about if we do, all right, let's go ahead and take a look at the subtraction way, or the subtraction operator that will allow us to check the difference between sets, just like we did with the difference method. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do, let's just call A, we'll call B, and we'll call C, so we can see what our sets contain. All right, and then let's go ahead and do A minus B. We should get 1. We did. All right, let's do A minus B minus C to get the difference. We get 1. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and do B minus A. We get 6. All right, good. We talked about that because remember, now we're flip-flopping B with A, and this is our first set, and we're just checking what different object does it have contained against the comparable. All right, so we got 6. We can do B subtraction A, subtraction C, and see what happens. We get 6. All right, let's do C minus A minus B and see what the difference is, and we get 4 and 5. All right, why do we get 4 and 5? Well, 4 and 5 in C, now 4 doesn't, yeah. All right. So 4 and 5 do not exist in B, and 4 and 5 do not exist in A. So we get returned 4 and 5. So that's how we check the difference of sets in Python. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Have an awesome day.